Today's going to be a very fun video. I'm going to show you guys what I got at Sephora. This is probably my biggest haul ever. So I told you guys my wish list in my previous video and I had a lot of products and there was no way I was going to get all of it. In fact, I ended up getting maybe half because by the time I made my order, a lot of the things sold out. But I was able to get that Rare Beauty lip oil. So I'm excited to try that. I'm excited to try all of this. I think I'm going to be able to try almost all of it. Some things I won't be able to. I'll still show you guys the products. Let's start with the two samples that they sent me. This is the Kosas foundation. I haven't tried Kosas in a while. I love their products. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get a sample since I'm not gonna buy the full size just yet, and we'll see how that goes. Let me know down below if you tried this foundation. Do you like it? I do like their, what is it, serum oil. I still have that. I enjoy that. It's been a while since I used it, but I do enjoy that. Kind of curious to see the difference between that and the foundation. And then this one, I don't think I picked this. I think I picked something else. It probably was out of stock. This is the Jo Malone Nectarine Blossom and Honey Cologne. I know Jo Malone is a very well-known brand, but I've never tried out any of their colognes before. Ooh, that's like a really nice spring summer scent. I really smell the nectarine blossom, not so much of the honey. Ooh, that's really nice. Okay, I'm gonna put one squirt on my neck. I'm so particular with perfumes, but this one's really nice. Maybe I'll end up getting the full size one day. All right, not bad. The products that I won't be putting on my face today are these two skincare products. This is the Summer Fridays Midnight Ritual Retinol Renewal Serum, but I am gonna try this tonight. This is pricey. No wonder I've been just putting it off for, I don't know, probably a year now. This is what it looks like. Look at that beautiful brown. Usually they tend to stay in like the pastel colors. So this is interesting. I don't smell anything as of right now because I can only smell the perfume. But I'm excited to try this out tonight. This is the Hyper Daily Duo. I'm very new to this brand. It is a serum and a cleanser. You guys know I deal with a lot of hyperpigmentation. It's probably the one thing I struggle with, not just on my face, but also on my body. It's been getting significantly better. I might still have to go to a professional just to get the really tough ones, but I am curious about this. So this is what it looks like. How cute. So this is the cleansing gel. And then this is the serum. Oh wow, the serum is quite small. It's a vitamin C serum. So let's talk about the makeup next, and then at the very end we'll do hair. So moving on to foundation, I already prepped my skin. As you can see, I already did my brows. And for primer, I just used some sunscreen. So I have two. I have the Haus Labs by Lady Gaga, which I'm very curious. I'm hoping I got the right shade. The sticker looks promising, but I don't know. Online, it was very tough. I felt like everything looked neutral. And then the other one, this was a last minute. It wasn't initially on my wish list, but because of mixed makeup, they uploaded a video about oily skin, and this was one of their top foundations, and I was like, I need this. It's the Dior Backstage Face and Body Foundation. I feel so bougie owning Dior. You guys know I don't really buy a lot of high-end, especially like designer, so I'm curious about this one. This one is in 3W Warm. I think I'm just gonna swatch them side by side, and then we'll end up only wearing one today. Let's just move you guys in a little bit closer so you can see the application. Much better, I think. Hopefully not too dark. My face is lighter than my body. I do like the packaging. Oh, it's very thin. Kind of feels like a serum foundation. This kind of looks like the L'Oreal serum foundation that I love so much. Is this a dupe? Oh, even feels so similar. I think this is just a touch thinner. Ooh, okay, so it might be a touch dark. We'll see. Now let's go on to the Haus Labs foundation. So I ended up getting 220 light, medium, warm. I think when I was talking about my wish list, I was gonna get neutral, but then I realized, oh, they do have a warm, but it doesn't look warm. Wow, this is beautiful. Glass, heavy. This is nice. This is my first Haus Labs product. Okay, let's just do it right next to the Dior one. I feel like this is going to be lighter than the Dior one. Oh yeah, it is lighter. So this one is Haus Labs. Ooh, they both feel very thin. It's so interesting because they look different. The Dior one is warmer. I feel like the Haus Labs one is pulling neutral, but I think the Dior one, I'm gonna have to send it back and get a lighter shade. I need to look back and see if there is maybe a 2W warm. So we're gonna do the Haus Labs one. Oh, maybe this shade match is pretty good, but I do think the Dior one is too dark for me. This is really pretty. Very lightweight, medium coverage. Like, what do you guys think? I think it looks really pretty. It feels very lightweight, a little glowy, has nice coverage. Let's see how well it covers. So I have a couple of breakouts on my forehead on this side. How well it covers that. Okay, I think it covered pretty well. Didn't cover everything, but it did a pretty good job. This looks really good. I'm very impressed. I'm curious to see how it's going to wear, but I can see why a lot of people like it. If you can find your shade, I think this is a nice foundation. This concealer I've been talking about since November when I originally discovered it. I had a little sample from Sephora, and ever since then I was obsessed. This is full coverage, but it doesn't feel like full coverage. It's the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Luminous Matte Liquid Concealer. I got shade Nougat, and I originally used this as a foundation, just like spot concealed, and it looked really nice. Wow, it looks quite light in the bottle. Either way, I ended up getting a lighter shade specifically for the under eye use. My plan in my head is this is supposed to be my wedding makeup, so we'll see how it wears. Yeah, this looks beautiful. So thin, but really great coverage. So I can't use that concealer for my breakout area just because it's a little too light. So since I have this and I got another one, I'm going to use it for that, and that's how I like to use this product. This is the Merit the Minimalist Perfecting Complexion Stick. I love this stuff. This is my fourth maybe. I think the only thing I did differently is I got a different shade. I got Ochre. I want to say I usually get one below that. So this might be just a little bit lighter, but I just kind of wanted to compare both shades because I feel like this could work as well. There, and what I like about this is it's very creamy, pigmented, and it just stays put. Especially when you put powder over it, it's not moving. Ooh, look at that coverage. It's so good. That was so quick and easy. Love this stuff. I have two contour products, one from Milk Makeup, one from Patrick Ta, both very popular. This one just came out not too long ago. So they had their bronzer for some time, and you guys know I love that one. So I ended up getting a Stoked. I'm hoping it's going to be neutral or cool enough. I feel like I don't have enough contour products that are actual contour shades. Delicately remove the plastic cap. There we go, perfect. So I'm either gonna use this or the Patrick Ta one, or maybe a mix of both. We'll see. And then the Patrick Ta one, this one is the duo where you get a cream and a powder. This packaging is so pretty. I think this is the size of their foundation. I got She Sculpted, so the medium one. I think I want to go in with this one because I did end up getting the Sculpt contour brush to go with it. I didn't end up getting the nose contour brush because it sold out, and then I was considering making another order because it came back in stock, and then I was like, no, I really shouldn't because I already spent a decent amount of money on this store, and I was like, you know what? We'll wait another time. So this is my first Patrick Ta brush. His brushes look so beautiful. Everything from his brand looks gorgeous, and I just want to show it off. I guess my only question is, do you use this for the cream and the powder? Does it say on the box? For best results, use the brush to apply product to the areas of the face where contouring and definition are desired. I just don't know if I want to use the same brush for the cream and the powder. I'm pretty sure this is the brush that you would use for this, but this says for contour 1. You know what? Let me check the app. One moment. I definitely got the wrong brush, but that's okay. I should have gotten the Precision dual-ended sculpting brush because it even says in the description, applies both creams and powder, sculpting and blending with ease for a softly defined look. So instead, I think I'm going to use my e.l.f. brush that's brand new for the cream, and then I'll go in with the powder using this one. Ooh, I think this is a really nice shade. Not too cool where it makes me look ashy. Neutral enough where I can use it as a contour. Very easy to blend. I'm gonna do nose contour. I want to do one side just to show you guys that difference. This looks really nice, creamy, easy to blend. You really see that difference without contour and with contour. I think all the products so far have been really great. No disappointments besides the Dior and getting the wrong wrong shade. That's just one shade too dark. But I'm very happy with what I've purchased so far. Just gotta be careful over here because these are where my breakouts are. Now using the powder, which is more of a bronzer. As you can see, it's like warmer. Pretty. But a little bit on the temples. It looks really nice, not too orangey. It gives me that sun-kissed glow. And I really do enjoy that these two shades aren't the exact same shade. This one's more neutral cool. This one's just a little bit warmer. We have two powders for setting the skin. This is the Huda Beauty Baby Cake Loose Setting Powder. I think this is the very popular pound cake. Yep, in pound cake. I got a little mini one because I really want to get both of them, and then this one that blew up on TikTok, I finally got it. This is the Givenchy Prisme Libre. This is the pink loose setting powder. I ended up getting shade 3. I'm hoping it's going to work out. I've never tried a loose setting powder that has the pink. Ooh, so pretty. I think I'm gonna use this one today. Ensures a sheer luminous finish during 6 hours without marking facial lines, thanks to an ultra fine, soft, and airy light texture. Oh, and it has a poof. I didn't realize that. I'm going to use my own because I like the ones that are more of a triangle shape better. Pretty. Kind of matches my dress. We're just gonna do one side just to see that difference. You know what? It's not that pinky. I was expecting it to be way more pink. Very fine and lightweight. Just gonna bake right here for that nose contour. Let that set. Very thin feeling, and also looks very thin too. Some under the contour and then some on the forehead. I can see why people like this one so much. It really doesn't look like you're wearing powder. When I'm looking specifically under the eyes, it looks very nice, very thin, really pretty. I wouldn't say it's all that luminous. It doesn't look very luminous to me, but it does make my skin look very smooth. I'm very impressed with how this powder looks under the eyes. It looks just so smooth and lightweight. This might be my wedding powder. That's how impressed I am with this. And I know it's just a first impression, but I'm really enjoying it. I didn't think a high-end powder would make much of a difference, but this one definitely does. The Rare Beauty Tinted Lip Oil, I finally got my hands on this. I was only able to get one shade, Joy, which is the one that I originally wanted because I have this one in the liquid blush. I'm so excited to try out this one. I would love to see this in Brave because I love the Brave liquid lipstick. That one's so nice. I think I would really enjoy it as a tinted lip oil as well. So here we go. Let's see what all the hype is about. Ooh, it feels wet. I wouldn't say this is your typical lip oil because it's very thin and wet. And I know it leaves a stain. This feels like the Asian beauty brand lip products. I know people are saying this was made in Korea. Is it your traditional lip oil? No, it definitely has a different feel to it, a different look to it. It's giving me more of a lip stain, but I still do enjoy it. Like, I like the look of it. We'll see how it looks after the gloss wears away. But the shade is really pretty and something I would totally wear. I'm not gonna wear this today since I have to do a separate video today right after this where I'm focusing on mascara and I don't want this to interfere, but I do want to show you guys. This is the Urban Decay 24/7 Inks Liquid Liner. I ended up getting High Energy. Originally, I wanted to get the teal one. When I was looking back on the model, it looks so dark where it kind of looks like it's black, and I really wanted one that would look blue, bluish green. So I ended up getting this one. Ooh, so pretty. And this one has a shimmer to it. I think the teal one doesn't. But I love how this feels. So if this ends up wearing well, I definitely want to get the brown one. I just realized I'm missing a couple of products. I wonder where they are. I'm missing the Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion in Fresco. And I'm getting that last minute because that was in my cart for a while and I kept on taking it out. But I think that would be a beautiful bridal blush. So I ended up ordering that. And then the other thing I'm missing, what? Why don't I see it in my cart? Or did I get a refund? I thought I ordered it. Oh yes, the One Size by Patrick Star, the mini Until Dawn mattifying waterproof setting spray. I wanted to get the full size, but then it sold out and I was like, oh, the mini size is available and I really want to try that. So those two things I'm missing. Oh, this is the sample that I ordered. The Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Perfect Glow Flawless Oil-Free Foundation. I've heard a lot of great things about that. So that was another one. Does that mean they're coming? or not? Oh, so it is coming. So I won't be able to show you guys that today. I wish I was able to show you the blush and the setting spray. I'll show you guys that in another video. But let's move on to the last category, hair products. Haven't talked about hair in quite some time. So I already styled my hair, but I didn't put in any product. So I just did a very loose beach wave. I want to try, let's see. I have the Color Out Raise the Root Thickening and Lift Spray. I don't know if I'm going to be going in with that. I have the Bombshell Volumizer. I think this is what I'm going to go in with. Actually, maybe not. It says apply to damp hair. Okay, I can't do that. We will just do the Wave Spray from Day. You can use this on damp hair, your natural texture, which is what I'm planning to do. But I also like doing it when my hair looks like this and it's more of a soft beach wave. And I just scrunch. Smells nice, citrusy, but not too strong. I love wave sprays because they give you that piecey look and it doesn't look so perfect. Looks a little more undone. Ooh, I really like that smell. This is my first time trying out Day. This side looks more soft and smooth. This side looks just more piecey and undone. Can't wait to try this on my natural hair texture. Yes, look at that. And it makes your hair look more full, in my opinion. At least with my hair it does. I want to show you guys the Color Out products maybe in a different video. I'm going to end the video here since I don't have any new products to show you guys. If you enjoy haul videos, if you enjoy first impressions, or maybe want to combine the two, definitely like this video and subscribe for more. I will catch you guys in another one. Bye!